Hey everyone, this is Dennis with Grizzly Soft Wash, and we are here at this apartment complex in Smyrna, and they have asked us to come in and clean all of their walkways, the staircases, all the sidewalks and such. Right here you see Eli is etching it out with the wand, and then he'll come back with a surface cleaner and then clean the other areas. So as we walk our way to another building, you see where Joseph has already started to clean his concrete. He's not done yet, but he's done the first steps in the process. Got our cones out for safety. And there's Joseph cleaning, surface cleaning concrete. You can see the difference. You see where you walk on the first path. The inside is on the left. The right side is still grimy and dirty. So we're getting that all cleaned up. Let's go down and see what Christopher's doing down below. So as we walk our way down, we're doing all of these sidewalks here, all the staircases. You can see there's a bunch of algae here, a bunch of grime just from irrigation, washing mud onto the surface. This is pretty muddy down here. Sorry for the noise, we've got one of our machines running. We'll go over here and we'll see Chris. Chris is currently, look, you can see him, we're going to walk on the closer so we can get away. He's cleaning one of the entryways on this particular unit. Be real careful not to get any water. We can help you get your townhome community or your neighborhood or your apartment complex, get you all cleaned up with soft washing and pressure washing. Give us a call. Grizzly Soft Wash, 678-727-2062. This is Dennis. Look forward to talking with you soon. Grrr!